Sleep apnea is a serious medical condition. It can happen when the breathing either stops for a period of time or when there's just dysfunction in breathing. There's 3 different types of sleep apnea. One is called obstructive sleep apnea, where the tongue goes to the back of the throat and obstructs, and it causes cessation or stopping of breathing. The second is called central sleep apnea, which is more rare. This happens when the brain does not recognize that your body has stopped breathing and doesn't allow your diaphragm and chest muscles to work out to help you survive. The third is called mixed apneas, where you can have a mixture of obstructive and central sleep apnea. Usually the central sleep apnea component is a lot less compared to obstructive sleep apnea.